This program will show how to install our large standard roller shade. We'll go over an inside or ceiling mount installation and an outside mount or wall mount installation. We'll show how to install our large standard roller shade with standard ring lock end plug. Before installing the roller shade, make sure you have the proper tools. In addition to the installation tools, you may also need a carbide drill bit, metal machine screws, longer screws, and/or wall anchors for a more secure installation. Each installation can be somewhat different, requiring slightly different tools. Our standard installation brackets are universal and can be mounted either on the left or right side. They come with adjustable screw wheels to allow easy screw placement during installation. To install our large standard roller shade on an inside or ceiling mount, place the bracket for the clutch side at the desired position inside the window frame or opening. Drive the screws through the selected screw holes and into the side of the frame or top opening. Repeat the procedure with the bracket for the end plug. The large standard roller shade uses our standard ring lock end plug option. Make sure the slot for the bracket tab is open. If it is closed, then turn the ring on the standard end plug. This will open the slot to mount to the tab of the bracket. Align the slot of the clutch to the tab of the bracket and make sure it engages. Position the opening of the slot of the end plug to the tab of the bracket. Once the slot and tab engage, then turn the ring and this will lock the shades in position. The shade is now installed. To install our standard large roller shade on an outside mount, place the bracket of the clutch side at the desired position. Adjust the screw hole insert to desired screw placement. With the screw holes aligned, drive the screws through the screw holes into the foot of the bracket and into the frame or wall. If installing into drywall, make sure to screw into a stud or use the proper wall installation anchors. Prepare the shade for installation by making sure the slot on the end plug to mount to the tab of the bracket is open. If it is closed, turn the ring on the standard end plug. This will open the slot to mount to the tab of the bracket. Align the slot of the clutch to the tab of the bracket and make sure it engages. Position the opening of the slot of the end plug to the tab of the bracket. Once the slot and tab engage, then turn the ring and this will lock the shade in position. If installing a shade on an outside mount, decorative end caps may be used to conceal the installation brackets. The shade is now installed. To uninstall the shade, first remove the end cap if installed. Then simply turn the ring to open up the slot on the end plug. The shade will then easily come off the brackets. To complete the installation of our roller shades, either inside or outside mount, follow the recommended installation procedure and install one of the ANSI approved child safety cord tension devices. This is an important safety consideration for all corded roller shades.